Okay, so put your name at the top. And the date is, it'll be April 19th to 23rd.
You said April what?
19th to the 23rd.
Oh, Friday's my birthday.
Ooh.
Yeah, Lady Gaga.
Then we're all done. Oh, leave it.
Okay, and then we're gonna start with a pre-week self-assessment. Actually, I printed out your progress report again, so you'll put that in a second when I hand that out. My productivity last week, just circle one, whether it was not the best, okay, good, or great. Wherever you want to do it. Whatever you want to circle. Maybe okay, good, great, I don't know, whatever you want to circle.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, and then don't circle them all, just circle one. For today, I've actually decided that we're not going to do the targeted standard review number 6 that I had planned because it's just too much for one day and it's just stressful for everyone. So we're going to cross that out. We're just going to fill out this weekly planner. You're going to need to print your week 32 notes. They had testing this morning, but it should be about done. I'll probably send some of you after we set this up. Print week 32 notes. Those are on Schoology. And then number 3 would be like 1 to 2 Khan Academy assignments for today. And then if you finish all of that, then you would go down and complete your past due assignments. Then for tomorrow, we're going to have the 3 lessons, consecutive lessons. So for Tuesday, lesson 11-10, that's on geometric design. And then you'll have homework 11-10 as well on Schoology. And then 1 to 2 Khan Academy. Most of the lessons are 15 to 20 minutes each. This lesson, however, is longer. It's almost 30 minutes. You may want to split it up or start it today. That way it's not super long at once. And as far as like these lessons, these are things you're actually going to use at some point with area, surface area, volume. You'll find that you'll use it in your life somewhere, somehow. Okay, and then Wednesday, it'll be the next lesson, 11-11, and homework 11-11. Then 1 to 2 more Khan Academy. Then the last lesson of the week, lesson 11-12. This lesson's on density. Density you usually see in science, but it also comes up in geometry. Density equals mass over volume. Have you heard that?
You said density.
Density equals mass over volume. Should have learned it in science, but it comes up here too. And then 1 to 2 more Khan Academy. And then Friday is just the open note test. So test 11C, and it's open note. Some people are asking why we're having like a test like every week when we don't normally have a test every week. Normally we have like 3 or 4 tests every quarter. I'm just trying to get them out of the way early so we don't have as much test at the end.
Are you going to be here Friday?
As of right now, yes. I don't know. I've been taking off like 1 day a week, and that seems to keep me like happier. So maybe not Friday, but maybe like Wednesday or something. I don't have anything planned. I don't know. It just makes me more balanced. Like I don't know.
I think you take Friday off.
Do you have, like,
Because
kids or
Start your
something?
weekend early.
Yeah, and our workload for teachers is really so it's like I'm working a lot at home too, so it keeps me like more. Okay.
Miss Sully, did you teach on any of my classes?
No, I don't.
Oh, that's-
But I have to have everything online anyway. Because, I mean, there's quarantines and stuff all the time. So technically it's like teaching online at the same time. Okay, and then finish Khan Academy on Friday if you aren't already. Done. You'll turn in the note packet. And also turn in this weekly planner worksheet.
Yeah, I found an air file on the ground.
I'm sure somebody will be looking for it. Okay. Then next week, if you finish all this and you finish your past due assignments, then you can start looking ahead at next week. For next week, you would need to print week 33 notes. And then you could start Khan Academy on Saturday when I post it. If you were looking at getting ahead. Okay, and then past due, I did print out a progress report for everyone again. It has the missing assignments. I did close some of the assignments, so you can't complete, like anything last week you could still complete, but anything before that's closed. I'm trying to find a good example of somebody who has a good grade, but maybe a couple missing assignments. Let's see, I'm trying to find. Okay, well, Leah's not, I would use Leah's, but she's not here. Let's see.
I know I have a few missing assignments.
Okay. Eliana, can I use yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm using Eliana as an example. I'm going to pass this out to everyone. The first thing you're going to look at is this weighted grade right here. That's what you're going to put here. So she had 88%, which is good. And then as far as her assignments, she does have some assignments that she hasn't completed. I also haven't put in the workbook, and I haven't put in last week's Khan Academy yet, so that's not averaged in yet. But the homework that she hasn't completed that are showing as 0, she can't complete. These she can't complete anymore, but she does have one Z right here that's missing, and this homework actually from last week she can still complete as well if she'd like. So in her past due assignments, anything with a Z you're going to write down here. So she would write down, okay, she still needs to complete and turn in targeted standard review number 1 and 2. And then she also needs to complete homework 11-9. So as I pass this out, fill in anything with a Z in your past due. And then when you have that all done, then you're going to start working on Khan Academy. If you finish today's Khan Academy, work ahead to tomorrow's. If you have the notes printed, you could also start the lesson for tomorrow if you'd like. Yeah. So you're going to write down anything with a Z in the past due assignment. And then you're going to begin working on Khan Academy. Here. Okay, now I'm going to turn the recording off and pass out your stuff.